Hello everyone, welcome back. Do you want to jazz up your text messages with some fun confetti effect on your iPhone? It's super easy and a great way to add a little celebration to your messages. Let's get started. First, open the Messages app. Compose a new message by clicking on the button in the right side of the screen. Then you enter your message. Enter the text you want to send. For a real celebration, type something like congratulations or happy birthday. For a new message, it's essential to input the recipient's number, so you do that quickly. Now, access effect. Press and hold the send button, the green arrow. This will bring up the send with effect screen. You will see two options at the top, bubble and screen. Tap on screen. Next is to swipe for confetti. Swipe left through the screen effect until you find confetti. You will send your message previewed with confetti falling. Now, send your message. Once you've selected the confetti effect, tap the send button to send your festive message. And that's it, guys. Now your message will burst with confetti, adding a fun and celebratory touch. It's a great way to make your messages more exciting and engaging. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, subscribe, and share with your friends. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.